In the video we are going to cook together tasty vegetable rice with special brinjal gravy. Few quantity of onion, few cardamom, few bay leaf, few clove and few cinnamon stick. Put all of them in the pressure cooker after pouring 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next put down the garlic and ginger paste, which is made by blending few garlic and ginger till they become paste. Stir them well. Put down next few coriander leaf. Next pour 1 spoonful of curd. Stir them well till they mix together. Few quantity of tomatoes. After few seconds, take few carrots and potatoes and beans. Now, put down the potatoes. Next carrot followed by beans. Stir them well. Now, ½ spoon red chili powder. Next ½ spoon garam masala. Next 1 small spoon of turmeric. And 1 full green chili. Let's fill some quantities of water for pouring them in the pressure cooker. Kindly note only needed quantities. Increase the burner volume so that the gravy boils well. Next, we must put down the rice, after that are soaked in water. Let that boil well for a few minutes until that we will close it. Now next take a pan and keep it on another burner and pour 2 spoonful of cooking oil. After put down needed quantities of onion. Put down garlic ginger paste. And needed quantities of tomatoes. Now take some needed quantities of brinjal. And put them on the pan. Next after few seconds put down 1 small spoon of turmeric. And 1 full spoonful of homemade chili powder. Pour needed quantities of water. Few needed quantities of crystal salt. So after few minutes let's open it. The tasty mother-made vegetable rice is ready. Take few sesame, cumin, pepper seed and peanut. Blend them well. It's ready. Put them down in the boiling brinjal gravy. Pour few tamarind water. After well boiled put down some curry leaf. And 1 piece of circle-shaped red chili. Now let's serve to our loved ones. Tasty and delicious vegetable rice with special brinjal gravy is ready. Thanks for watching RelaxGrow. Subscribe, like and share for more cooking videos.